Hello and welcome to my channel. It's an unboxing plus extras. Let's see if we can have a clue. So this is one for unboxing. This is the other one for unboxing. Bit big. What should we do first? We'll do the little one. So let's see what we got in here. She says, here we go. I'll get into it. And it is, fancy that. Fancy that. It's dolly clothes. But where I usually crochet all mine and make it up as I go along, this is actually patterns. It's easy enough, it's only knitting. I don't normally knit. This one I liked because it had a vest and panties. And it's got little booties. It's got a skirt, a cardi, and a hat. And these had the trousers, a top. This one's got a poncho and slightly different hats. Oh, and a scarf. It's cool. So that sort of gives you a clue as to what might be in the big box. You're ahead of me, aren't you? You're there already. You know what I'm like. Let's attack the big box, shall we? I don't know where to start on this one. It's very well sealed. It's got to be a way in somewhere. She says, I get down the middle. And go down the middle. See if we can get it that way. Oh. Sound effects anyway. No, I can't do that. As I said, it's wrapped well. That's one, that's two. Three. 4. Nice little note, and it says, "Hi Linda, have you been? Please send feedback. Thanks, Lorraine." Okay, we can do that, can't we? Let's get into our box. We've got cards. And more cards. And more cards. And we got a plastic bag. Oh. Oh. We have not one. We have 2 dollies. A lot more packaging. But we don't need that, do we? We can lose that for now. So let's get our dollies unwrapped. Ooh. What's this little one? It's a vintage 1970 Palitoy doll made in England. This doll was 50 years old and so in used condition. Would be, wouldn't it? So this is our first one. They're not as big as my Roddy dolls. They're smaller than those. She's cute. She's got a lovely little dress on. She's got her knickknacks already on. Perhaps I don't need to make them this time. She needs a wash. Clearly I always give my dollies a wash. But she's pretty. Yeah, she's pretty. How tall is she? Hold on. See if we can find a ruler. That's 12 inches to her shoulders. 13, 14, 15, 16. She's about an 18 inch all over. On the back, it does actually say Palitoy made in England 1970. And down on there, made in England by Palitoy. That's the... I don't know if you'll get those markings on her. So, she's an original Palitoy. So we have the brown haired one, which will be washed. undressed, washed, redressed. And we do have, almost, sellotape. Gets the better of you, doesn't it? I don't know. Oh, yes, and we have the blonde version. Lovely dress on her. Knick-knacks again, so that's handy. We won't have to make 2 pairs of knick-knacks. But it was the faces. Look at the dimples in them. I thought they were so cute. And if you think about it, 50-year-old dolls, their eyes still work. You know, they go to sleep and their eyes shut. They wake up, they're open. They got all their hair. There's no marks on them. And they got lovely, cute, cheery faces. So this is going to be a matter of fill a sinker, get them washed, get them undressed, then washed, and then start their new clothes with their patterns. And as it happens, we went to Hobbycraft this morning because I knew these were coming, and I got some different wool. All the other dollies have got, like, you know, just one plain colour wool. Look at this. Put it up the right way for you might see it. Yes. Spirit, Hayfield Spirit double knitting. 100 grams. One of those. We got a baby marble double knit. 100 grams. Then I've got a driftwood double knit. That's a soft one. Sometimes, you know, you can feel when they're going to be softer. We have that one. Oh yes, I did get my Women's Institute wool. I love this stuff. And I got the pink. But I do have other dollies in the pink. And then I got 2 white. Can never have enough white, can we? So that was all of that. So we have dollies, we have patterns, and we have wool. We're pretty good to go there, aren't we? I shall bring you them, obviously, when they are redressed, remade, redressed, washed, all of the above. I do love dollies. I'm terrible. It's like, how many do I have now? I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with these 2. 10 dollies. Perhaps I better stop there. We'll see. It's the Beringer ones that really are so cute. They are cute. My Roddy ones are obviously because of the childhood, and they're like 1950s, 60s dolls. The Palitoy, because I thought their faces were so cute. And they're a 1970 dolls, so they're not new ones. I seem to like the older dolls. And then the Beringers, I don't know how old they are actually, but they're just so cute. They are cute. So there we go. I've got lots to do. I must dash and start washing and knitting and all that sort of thing. Luckily I've got needles, yes, because I have done knitting in the past. So I've got the needles, I've got hooks, I've got wool, and now we've got the patterns. Exciting times. I know I don't get out enough, but there you go. I'm happy. I'm not hurting anyone. Perhaps my bank balance. I don't smoke. I don't drink. You know, I don't go out partying. My pleasures are my Bibles and my dollies and knitting and my art. So that's fine by me. That's fine. So I have to go now because I am busy. I'm chomping at the bit to get these started. Never mind tea, never mind dinner. I need to do dollies. Do hope you've enjoyed this video. I should say, give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe. You never know what dolly I'm going to come up with next or what Bible's next. And I should say, stay safe, take care, and it's busy. I'm off. Bye-bye for now.